Hello dear children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Yes, and all set to learn a new and interesting chapter in grammar. Our today's chapter is chapter 14 and the name of the chapter is was and were. Yes, it's an interesting chapter. Let's study further. We use was, were when we talk about the past time. To talk about things that started and finished in the past. Yes, again I'll explain you about this. Yes, when do we use was and were? The was and verb are used according to the past time. Things which have already happened in the past. They are the helping verbs which we use to frame our sentences when we are talking about something which has happened in past and already finished in past, got over in past. Yes, that is the time when we will use was and were. Okay children, now when we are using I, we use was. When we are using he, we use was. When we are using she, we are again going to use was, and with it also we are going to use was, the helping verb was. But when we are talking about plural and or we are addressing somebody else, we are going to use were. You were, we were, they were. Yes, let us see the examples and understand it perfectly further. She was at the zoo yesterday evening. She was. We were at the fun fair last night. We were. She is a single person, so we are using was. Yes, and we means more than one, so we are using were. I was on the telephone for about half an hour. I was talking on the telephone for about half an hour. I was means it shows yesterday or day before yesterday, the time which is already past. They were in Agra yesterday. At 8 o'clock in the morning, Mr. Das was not at work. So these sentences are clearly showing us the use of was and were. Now, remember one thing without any confusion, we have when to use was and were, and when to use am, is and are. Yes children. Now means the present time. When we are talking something at the present time, then your sentences you are going to make the use of am, is, are and frame your sentences. Yes, I am teaching, I am talking, I am studying. Yes, this is the way what we are talking about the present time. But the same sentences, if I want to repeat in the past time, what I have done, I am going to use was. I was teaching, I was talking. Yes, we were learning, we were playing. Yes, so this is the way we are going to use our was and were in our past time. Sentences which are showing about our talking about the actions which we have done in the past. And the actions or the things which we are doing in present, we are going to use the were helping verbs am, is and are. Is it clear children? Isn't it very good and interesting? Yes, now further examples which will make you clear and understand this concept. Examples about use of is, are, was and were. Okay. He is happy today, but he was sad yesterday. Yes, he is happy shows the present time, what he is feeling just now. But when you are using was, shows something which has already happened. He was sad yesterday. They are at the mall. They are at the mall. At present, they are at the mall. The weather is cold. The weather just now, today, it is cold. And last Sunday it was hot. Yes, if you compare also about the weather, how was it, how is it today and how was it previously, again we use is and was. Yes, is shows the present time and was shows the past time, the time which is already gone. Now children, with the help of was and were, we can frame different questions also. Yes, he was ill. The same sentence can be changed into a question sentence by asking, was he ill? They were at home. Were they at home? Where were you yesterday afternoon? Yes, again we are asking with the help of, we are framing a question with the help of the word were. Where were you yesterday afternoon? Yes. Why was she angry with you? Again we are using the word was. Why was she angry with you? So children, in this chapter we can frame questions also using our helping verbs was and were, which will show you the actions or the activities which are done in the past. So children, without any confusions, whenever you use was and were, remember you are talking about the things which are done in the past. And when you want to talk about something which is happening in the present or the present time, always use am is are. I hope children you have understood the chapter well. Bye bye. Thank you.